Hello everybody, this is Sriharsha. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to record your screen with the Screenflow. Screenflow is a powerful screen recording tool for Mac OS X, which is available for $99 from the App Store. Okay, first thing I am going to go to Launchpad and open up Screenflow. Okay, when we open Screenflow, the Screenflow dialog appears. There are three options in Screenflow dialogs. The first one is record video from USB camera. This allows you to record your webcam. And hello. Okay. And the next thing is there is also a audio. You can record audio from your microphones. So if I have ticked this, hello. This level is here is the this level here is the volume level here. Okay, I don't need for this basic tutorial. Okay, let me take this. And this here is a computer audio, record computer audio. This option records every audio that came out of your speakers from your system. So if these the volume plus the beeps are also recorded. Okay, I don't want my camera now. So first this red button is the recorder. Okay, you can also do recording by two other steps. This top here is the icon of Screenflow. You can click here and record, or also you can use Command Shift 2 as a shortcut. So let me see. Let us strive to record something. Okay, I'm clicking on record. It waits 5 seconds for you to record, and after recording you can do anything you like. A small recording test. Thank you. No. And closing it. Tata. Bye bye. Okay, I'm now back in Screenflow, and this is the Screenflow's editing window. What Screenflow does is it captures the whole screen and then lets you remove the parts you don't need from it. Okay, there are three main components in the Screenflow editor. The first thing here is the preview pane. This can be used to preview your video. You can preview your current presentation, cover screencasts, and here this is the properties window. There are video properties which allows you to define the scales, the position of the video. You can move the video there and there, rotate the videos, change the opacities. You can even crop and add reflection and also shadows. Okay, this here is the audio properties. This audio properties allows you to increase the volume and change the ducking. Ducking will cause volume of other audio clips to reduce when sound indicated in the selected clip. That is, the selected clip will be the main audio and others will become background, and the background sounds will be reduced in voice. And here this meter is just like a visualizer. Okay, it selects the audio levels. Okay, this is you can mute the audio for a selected clip. You can, that is, the audio of the clip will not be played. You can add some effects. Okay, the amount of any effects. There is a background noise removal filters, and there are many other audio filters as well. Okay, this here is the screen recording properties. You can show the mouse pointer or hide it. Hiding the mouse pointer doesn't show the mouse pointer at all in the screenshot. You can change the pointer zoom, that is the size of the pointer. If the pointer zoom is very much, the pointer appears larger, and if this is here is the click effect. The effects you can show radars, that is circles over the clicks and other things. And this here is the opacity. The opacity of the cursor. The cursor can be transparent as well. And here I forgot to say this pointer. You can change the pointers. There are some predefined pointers like circles and squares. You can also use any image of you on. And this is the sound and click. So if you have clicked on the video in this recording, it will play a small sound. You can also configure that sound. This here is the keyboard, keystrokes. You can show what keys are you have pressed during the screencast in this area. Show all keys will show all the keys you have, and show only modifier keys, which only shows the modifier keys like command, control, shift, or option, command, control, shift, option, etc. Okay, it also shows the function keys. This height and position you can adjust at any position. Okay, that is all for the screen recording properties. The next here is the callout properties. Callouts are things which you you can describe a portion of your video. Okay, there are highlight the mouse cursor. You can highlight many things, change the opacity, blurring. So callouts can be used for blurring. That is, if you have some confidential informations like passwords, some critical numbers, etc., you can blur that area by using a callout on it. And zoom up, you can zoom the callout. That is, the if you are focusing on the mouse pointer, the area around your mouse in a specific circle appears zoomed, while the other part of the video does not. You can such at the borders, coin, and many others. There are annotations. You can include annotation, that is some text messages in your screencastings. And this is the text properties. If you are in any callouts or anything, or the notes annotations, you can edit the text with these properties. You can change the fill color, the outline color, backdrops, and others. This here is the media tab. That is, you can import any other videos you have in your collection, and you can place the video. Suppose if you want to refer any other tutorial here, you can add a video tutorial link here. Not a link, but actually a short video preview without voice, so it will be. So if you have so in this configure recording button, if you are having in the start dialog box, if you have selected the webcam appears as another video as an overlay on this recording. You can change the position to anywhere you want, change any resize, and apply the video properties to that also. And these are the basics of the properties tab. You can do much more than, and with the video filters there are also chroma keys and others. And now this here is the timeline. This here is the volume levels that are currently playing. This is the current position of the scrubber. So this part is called as scrubber. You can change the position of the position, and also position of the, that is correct, what is it, the video. Okay, the position of the video that is playing currently. This here is the zoom function. You can increase the zoom, you can decrease the zoom. This helps to clearly visualize that. And there are tracks. Okay, this is the video track and this is the audio track. In the audio tracks, the volume levels appear as waveforms to help you. So if there is a no space, empty line between them. Okay, so if there is empty line between this, it means that there is no voice actually, and it is noise. You can use noise removal in that parts. That's okay. You can also, if there is complete silence, you can either remove the audio from that, and you can insert another pieces of audios. Okay, you can do much more with this. Okay, in the first tutorial I'm just going to show you what will be recorded, and how you can reduce your noise. The zooming and others will come in the later parts of the next tutorial series. Okay, the first thing, we'll first see our video. We will just preview it and make the changes we need to do. Okay, so let's first play it. A small recording test. Thank you. And closing it. Tata. Bye bye. You may have already observed that the recording in the QuickTime part, as in this video, that is used to show the mechanisms of the screen flow. are very slow, but Screenflow is very fast. That is, Screenflow uses less memory, and you can use it to even record your games and others. Okay, so first, the one thing we have noticed in this video, that is our demo video here for editing, is we have reduced that it is having a lot of noise. So first thing is we need to remove the noise from it. This is the only thing I am going to show in this first video. And so select this. You can select any track by clicking on the tracks. Okay, select the unknown USB audio device. That's because I'm using my external microphone, not the internal that came with my Mac. Okay, you can select it. Okay, go to the audio properties and increase the don't need of ducking because there are no other clips. So just click on the filter, remove background noise, and select the amount to 100%. Yeah, we don't need any background noise. So if you play it now, a small recording test. Thank you. No. And closing it. Tata. Bye bye. So there is no noise. And now what we are going to do is we are going to increase the audio. So increase the volume. Increasing it will also increasing the waveforms. If you increase totally, there you can see some red spots on this. That means some of the audio is being cut. So never increase to that. Never let the spots that come. Okay. Now if you play it, a small recording test. Thank you. No. And closing it. Tata. Bye bye. This is now very easier to hear. And now what I am going to show you is how to export this. Okay, so here is the file menu. So go and export. The shortcut to export is Command E. Now I am going to export this into 1080p video for YouTube. So select the preset web high. This is the default preset. We don't need to change that. The high refers to the quality and the web refers to it, so that we are going to publish it for the web, so it becomes optimized for streaming. So the dimensions, the default is scaled by 50, so 50%, so it will be 800 into 450, but it is not the actual HD 1080p, so we need to scale to our custom size. So select scale to custom size and enter the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. Make sure you have ticked the lateral box content. This makes the text to visible to be legible more clear, and no shearings or tearings happen. Okay, now let me export this. So click on the export process. This is where I'm saving on my desktop as test.mp4. Okay, let me save this. This here is the export bar. Okay, it is very nice to see also, and it is somewhat very fast, although it's just 15 seconds only. For larger recordings it may take time, but you will get most quality recording you are happening. In the meanwhile, I am going to show you one thing. This is the camera, the Screenflow camera icon, and there appears a dot in it when we are actually recording. Recording is taking place. Yes, I am recording this entire process, so a dot is there. You can select it, and if you are clicked on it, you can see the record time, how much time has been elapsed since the last recording. So close it and open. See, again click. Okay, that means it's saved. Okay, the process has been completed. So let me minimize this, and on my desktop here is test.mp4. Okay, I am now opening the mp4. Okay, just make it full screen. See, the quality is almost just like my normal desktop. So if I play it, a small recording test. Thank you. And closing it. Tata, bye bye. Okay, this is the example recording and I am now closing it. Okay, quick time, quick time. This is the basics of the ScreenFlow tutorial. For this tutorial I have used QuickTime since that it is not possible to show you the recording, the process that makes you wait. So from the next tutorials onwards I'm not being going to use QuickTime, and I'm only going to focus on this editing tab, because there is nothing much to do on the recordings. Okay, this is the end of this first tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you.